Most of our female clients that come in for a divorce want to be restored or want their maiden name to be restored to them at the conclusion of divorce. That's a very simple process, and we don't see much contention involving that. In fact, you'd be surprised, well, maybe you won't be surprised that most men want their spouses to take back on their maiden name and not keep the family name. So we don't see necessarily a lot of contention involving that. It's a simple request that's made to the court for the name to be restored. It's issued as a part of the divorce decree, and then of course that female client would go through the process with Social Security and the motor vehicles and and the other appropriate government agencies to get the name changed back, or restored I should say, back to the maiden name. If there becomes a contention involving the name where the husband wants the name removed from the spouse and her name restored to her maiden name, but the female spouse does not want to give up the married name, then that's a completely separate analysis. We have to determine what interest she has in the name, and there's legal underpinnings that have to be addressed with that you would doubtlessly need a lawyer for to help you get through those processes. But largely, we don't see a lot of those cases. It's a simple request that's made to the court in the process of the divorce, and we don't see a lot of pushback with those. But that's something you want to discuss with your lawyer to make sure early on that that's understood, that you want your maiden name restored to you.